is stress? Meaning, structure, and emotion in language. Pretty important. How many types of stress are there? There is not one, not two, but 3 types of stress. Oh my god, I really need this. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about stress. Do you know what is stress? Well, if you do, then great job. But if you don't, then don't worry, because in this video you're going to know all about stress. So let's stop faffing around and get into the topic. What is stress? Stress is the emphasis on words or certain words or syllables in speech. Now you may say, what is the purpose of stress? Well, stress helps convey meaning, structure, and emotion in language. Pretty important. Now, I may be thinking like, how many types of stress are there? There is not one, not two, but 3 types of stress. They are word stress, sentence stress, and emphasis stress. What is word stress? Word stress is emphasis on certain syllables within a word. For example, like word stress is divided into 2 parts: primary stress and secondary stress. Primary stress syllables are longer, louder, pronounced with extra force, extra energy than the other syllable. Also, stress has a mark, and primary stress mark is the upper vertical line. And secondary stress. Secondary stress is pronounced also longer and louder, but it is weaker than primary stress. And secondary stress mark is a lower vertical line. Also, I forgot to mention that these marks are only in phonetics. And if you say like, I don't study phonetics, how am I gonna know that? Well, I'll give you a tip at the end. So you can see this word, right? This is like a word. Now you can see there is a stress mark before the letter T. And this syllable is going to be pronounced like tas, not tas, tas. So this whole word is going to be pronounced like fantastic. And now, sentence stress. Sentence stress is emphasis on keywords to direct focus in a sentence. For example, if I say like, I didn't say she stole my money, maybe someone else stole it. Or I didn't say she stole my money, maybe someone else said it. You can see like the whole word's meaning changes based on which word is being stressed. Now, empathic stress. Empathic stress is emphasis on like words to add emotions or urgency. For example, if I say, how could he do this to me? Oh my god, I really need this. You see? Now, let me give you guys the tip. Well, if the word is 2-syllable, and if the word is a noun or an adjective, then the first syllable is going to be stressed. But if the word is a verb, then the second syllable is going to be stressed. Now, why is stress important? Clarity. Stress differentiates meaning between words and phrases. Natural speech flow. Correct stress pattern helps you sound more fluent. Emotions and emphasis. Stress helps the speaker sound more fluent, and it helps him express his intentions and feeling. Now, let me guys give you a quiz. So here is 2 words and here is 3 words. For these 3 words, I'm going to give you guys 3 seconds to pronounce. So what is this word? It is apple. What is this word? It is action. And where is this word? This is able. Now let's go to the hard ones. This is identify. This is magnificent. And this is compartment. So stress is essential for meaningful, clear, and expressive communication. Stress guides listeners what's important in what's being said. So stress is really important in phonetics, and keep practicing stress and fool others by making them think you are a native speaker. So practice them and stay good. Bye!